new user try to sign up, we are using the passport instead of cookies. So here you can see we are installing the passport with version 0.4.0 and passport local 1.0.0, and we are using passport local Mongoose. So first we have to install this in our Confusion server. Then after that we have to go to user.js schema model, where we have to include our passport local Mongoose, which is required. And instead of using username and password, here we are using so here I will show you in the code. So we are using the admin here because it will already contain the username and password by passport local Mongoose, which is coming from the client side to the server. And we are storing the username and password additional methods to user store. So we are using the plugin here which will be storing the passport local Mongoose, and we are using this as a user. Then we have to go to create a authenticate.js file where we are using the passport as a variable here, and local strategy, so store authentication strategy stat configuration. So local strategy will be storing like passport local provides some strategies. Passport local module export strategies we are used for application in the form of local strategy, and we are importing here the user, which is from models from user. This one user schema here we are using in authentication because we want to authenticate the user by their username and password. So export local passport.use new local user.authenticate. So configuration passport with new local strategy function support. So here we are using a function which is called passport local Mongoose. So here we have function called use, and local strategy support verifying function inside this verify. So local strategy is another function which is used to verify the user authentication, and use the session to track user app serialized or deserialized. So passport.serialized will be tracking the user app session, and deserialized also for both the cases. Then we have to go to our users.js. Here you can see we are using the passport here and user also, and here you can see router.get. So here adding the router post here. Then instead of using, so we are using register, so which is a part of passport. So register, create a new username required body.username and rec.body.password also. It will handle the callback function if there is some error, else no error then passport authenticate local rest.status code 200 rest.set header, and this is all. So username and password include in body of the incoming post message. Second middleware passport.authenticated successful, then callback function follows this. rec.post login passport.authenticate local rest.status code 200, then it remains the same. Logout is also remain the same. Then we have to use in the app.js which is passport authenticate, and here we have to go to session. Below we are using the app.use passport.initialized, which is a function. app.use.passport session is also a function. Then we have to run this code in our Postman, and you can see here I have changed the name. So before that we have to authenticate, and in our body now we have to put the post. So you can see the success true status registration success. Localhost 3000 /user/sign up. So you can see here uh, so post, we are using the post here, and /sign up. So here we are using users because here history is containing the user here. So /sign up. So users / sign up, then it will sign up for new user, so which is / user / sorry, users / sign up. And after there is no error comes, then it will give success true and registration successful. So now you are asking why we are using / users. So you can come here. Users. Okay. Yes. / users dot use / users, which will be users router. Okay, this username from the post. So you can see success true, you are successfully logged in. Now we are going to cookies, and you can see the value username and password in the header also. So we are successful. ID. So users / logout, so we can send this, and you can see we have to log out. Now we try to get the dishes. It will send us you are not authenticated because we are on logout. You are not authenticated. Perfect, our server is login and logout is working perfect. Login, users, login, success true, status you are successfully login. Then you can see the cookies are there, session ID. Let's try to log out. Sorry, okay, double L express, welcome to the server. Now you can see there is no cookies.